it should be probably in just one section, all by itself, okay? The beans are not the kind of thing you want to put in there. Let's see here. Okra's real big plant, won't do in there. The sunflowers could be okay. I would say the beets, oregano, let's see. Eggplant chives should do well. So I would say that's not be too big. Sunflower should be okay. So those five. Let's begin with those five.
Okay. Chives, beets, oregano, eggplant, and sunflower.
So what we can do is let's begin maybe with the sunflowers, because they're probably gonna get bigger.
Are we gonna do some of them in this area?
Oh yeah, the whole thing. The whole thing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Let's do this right here, because the sunflowers, because you want some of the plants to get good sunlight. If you put sunflowers all in here, they may block the sun from what's behind. That makes sense? Let's put the sunflowers, maybe, let's maybe pick out maybe about 4 seeds from here.
Wait, we were learning about this in school, because it was in science, so we were doing learning about plants.
Right.
So while the seeds in the dough, it starts hatch a little bit.
Right.
So then it just then it starts to sprout up.
Oh yeah.
And then it breaks the dough and comes out.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's do. We got about 4 holes.
Wait, that's actually what they look like?
No, these are fake. They put fake seeds in here. These are actually pieces of rock. We thought we were buying seeds, and we bought rocks. Anyway, no. So these are called. So if you look at them. So these are called mixed colors.
Ooh,
let me read you.
Why they look different.
Let me read you what's in here. What colors they've got? They've got lemon color,
Ooh.
gold,
Ooh.
white, creamy white, brown, bronze, and crimson. Now, which ones do you think might be crimson? Yep, because they're red. Red. Which one might be white? Yes, and it mentions bronze.